I don't wanna sound ungrateful or complain about things I've prayed for.
So go on, bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Devin the Doctor, a beat NotNice bad, just because NotNice sign a AI artist. Yeah man, NotNice sign a AI artist to his label. Viewers and subscribers is like them a try to replace the artist them with artificial intelligence. Plus we also have Aidona house I get raided by the police them. So viewers and subscribers watching the man, remember leave a subscribe and make we jump right into it.
But I've been feeling so lost, and I've been crying too much.
So this song is based off what happened to Tyra Spalding. Yeah man, it's like a tribute song from NotNice and NotNice AI artists. But we have Devin the Doctor a speak out on it. Like I said, Devin the Doctor a burn out the project that NotNice I run with. You see me? Yeah man, so viewers and subscribers just pray you are going.
And see, I'll know my face not even spread up nor nothing, but here we're going on to the artists them. Because I see a message where somebody asks me, just my opinion upon the AI trend. But me I go say it publicly. Artists, when I realize that them no value no. Yes, you're no longer a value to most of the producers and record labels. And I say uno. Because I spend years on top of years, I spend I set up certain things, I work on certain things to make sure I put myself in a position where I can tell any producer, go suck out their mother. And I still can release music anytime I want. So if I see me release nothing, I mean I want to release nothing. And I'm good same way. You get me? The thing with that though, it take a different type of mental stamina because now you are going to judge yourself, based on what happened out there in the public. And then you are going to see some people, we are less talented than you. But them have producers with big name and our big money can make them thing go far and faster. But the thing with that is most times, yeah, by it come it gone. So you can't be able to watch that. You as an artist have to just focus on building up your little catalog. And it's not hard, believe me. It just take time. It's not hard, it just take time. So here what I want to know as artists for do. Set up on a record label. And find some youth, some little talented youth. Whole heap of them about the place I can make rhythm. Find 1, 2 or 3 of them and work together. You see me, I want to split the masters, split the publishing, and release on the music and it all to make money together, or the group I want to make money together. Stop trying to depend on producers no need, And now with this AI thing, when them realize them can replace, and that them are good because me not see how the fuck this makes sense where producers can have artists or record labels can have artists around them and them still choose to sign AI. You know why? Because the money them a deal with, them not care. The thing will separate humans from robots or from AI or whatever is feeling, is soul. The soul, the feeling, the emotion where you put in your music. That make we special, So now them find out them can replace the words where you sing. Not the words, your voice where you sing. Because them still are gonna need the words. So the voice where you have on whatever it is. I make AI come do it. You know why? Because them want control, and this just to show you how little them view. Not me not say me not business with them with producers, move them bum up like how them view uno as artists. This is how little them view uno. AI better than that them tell you. And it's not even about being better than, it's about what them can control. And it's about making money and don't have to share it with the artists them. Because all if artists did already figure this out, say them make way less money from enough of them producers, So them kind of step aside a little bit and figure out certain things. So me I make it known to wall out the little producer. He's not producer. Artists. Follow the trend. Them not like on show, so they not like them either. So if people want to say me I try to separate the industry, yes. I care about artists, because I'm an artist more than anything else. Artists, listen to me, I'm going to repeat myself. set up on a label. It now have to be a big corporation. You don't need that. If your name Bag Juice, call the label Bag Juice Factory. Find two youth who are talented enough to make rhythm. If you can find one that can mix and master, I want to put on a thing together and release on the motherfucking music. Do not watch the producer them. Take yourself out of the place where you need to depend upon producers for release of the music. This is literally just the beginning of the new trend. You're going to see it over and over and over. You're going to see more people assign AI because they want to control every single thing and they want to make as much money as possible without having to share it. Remember me telling you, Anyway, what time I now? After 10 in the morning, gone back on my bed because I don't need a producer to tell me what time to wake up. Moving no bum buckler.
So I hope the artists them pay attention and I look out at them eyes. Because from one producer do it, just remember say yo, the rest of them are gonna do it. You see me? Yeah man, it a go turn in a trend where you go see all of the producer them a do it. And them a go replace these artists slowly but surely. So no better look out on the eye and try if you figure out where you're gonna go next. No joke. So leave on the taking in the comments, viewers and subs.
I don't want you to take that away, but I've been feeling so lost.
So dancehall artist Aidona house was invaded by police. Viewers and subscribers, now go read an article so we have an understanding of what happened. This morning, law enforcement reportedly executed a pre-dawn raid on the St. Andrew residence of dancehall entertainer Aidona, Sheldon Lawrence. The operation was part of a border sweep across the St. Andrew North Police Division targeting individuals suspected of criminal activities and illegal firearm possessions. Police report that no illegal weapons or contrabands were discovered at Aidona's home. However, two individuals present at the property were arrested and are being held pending further investigation. Authorities emphasize that the raid is one component of sustained crime fighting efforts in the capital region. They have urged citizens to assist with tips and information related to persons of interest in the area, especially those wanted for violent crimes. So I don't know them good. The police them just do them work. You see me? Yeah man. So viewers and subscribers, like always, just leave on a take in the comments. Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.